Hey guys, this is Priyanka Kumar here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a reading about your person's current feelings, their thoughts, what their intentions are towards you, and what is the near future of this relationship. This is a general update that I do generally once in 15 days. So let's see as to what your person's current thoughts and energies are. And this is a very common question that I keep getting as a tarot reader. Very often people want to know what their person is feeling towards them, what their current thoughts are, or where is the relationship headed. So this is a common question that I do on a regular basis. Before we move on to the reading, as usual, you know that there are going to be 3 piles, and you can close your eyes for a while, meditate, and see which pile that you are guided to the most, and choose that particular pile. And the timestamps are mentioned in the description below, and you can check that out. So we have the green star, the blue star, and the yellow star. There are currently one tarot card and an oracle card along with this pile. As we move on to the reading, I will pick more cards as per your situation. Let's move on to the reading. Welcome to pile number 1, whoever chose the green color star. Change the momentum and 8 of Swords. Alright. So your person's current thoughts and energies or their feelings towards you, I see that they feel that you are in a very rigid space, bound together, and I feel very heavy with this pile. The minute I'm opening the cards, it's a kind of heavy feeling where I also feel that somewhere you are. I'm sorry to say this, but the beginning of the reading itself is making me too heavy, and the energies are quite intense. I can see that your person is not happy with the situation, okay? And I also see that somewhere you are kind of making this person feel too stuck in the some kind of a zone. They're definitely not happy, and they just want you to change the situations for you. And I also see that there is a need for you also to change in the process. Maybe the pace that it is going in, I feel that it is going against the direction of how your relationship is supposed to go. And your person's current feelings are that maybe you have to change a lot of things. Maybe you need to clear your mind. You don't have a clarity in the situation. They feel victimized being in this. Maybe you're also demanding a lot of things, and maybe you are you are taking in charge of a lot of things for yourself and not allowing the other person to embrace their own power, and they are feeling extremely powerless in this situation. They're feeling helpless. They're neither able to get out of it, they're neither able to stay in the situation. Okay, there is a need for them to be free, right? And they're definitely not happy. I'm sorry to say this, but I keep picking up on they are not happy in this scenario, and something is bothering them a lot. Let me check as to what is that is bothering them in your relationship currently. King of Swords, 7 of Cups, the Hanged Man. There is some kind of emotion that is attached to this situation. Maybe you have treated them like an option, and they want to be free from you. I don't know why I have a feeling that this relationship is not meant for you. I'm sorry to say that, but there is there is a feeling that they feel powerless for sure. They just want to break the ties with you, and they're just so frustrated in the situation, and they want the whole thing to be suddenly changed for them, because being in this situation is only making it worse for them. And I also feel that it's because of the way that you have treated them, and you have never given that importance of what this person deserves. And I see that you have taken all the power. You as a person have made all the decisions, and everything is taken care and in charge by you. So that is one of the reason why this person feels this way, and very less of emotions involved in this relationship, and too much of strong actions or rebounds, or that kind of a feeling, right? And I also see that um, this person is thinking a lot about giving up in the scenario, and they're just finding a proper way. They're just thinking of how they can let it go, or how they can end this whole situation. And the mental clarity that is needed in this relationship is what is currently lacking, and I think that they are very close to getting that clarity. Okay. And it is that um, you know that kind of authority that if you give them is only when this relationship will survive. Otherwise, I see that this relationship sinking down a lot. Okay. There is a need for a sudden change in your scenario, and there is a need for you know changing the entire situation. Even the oracle card of change the momentum, shifting out of difficulty, I see that it's very difficult for you to be that way. Maybe that's how you have been brought up all this while, or that's how you have been through. But there is, it is like you're forcefully holding the situation in your hands. Okay. um, so I see that only if you allowed them to take in charge of the situation, then there could be a chance of this relationship surviving. All right. I will also pick a few cards. I'm feeling very heavy with this reading, guys. There is too much of stress. I think that you also need to calm down. You also need to be more focused and balanced. And I see that try and take some time out for yourself. I see that you have to, your energies are way too high and anxious, and you just want to be the king of your life for everybody. You cannot be that way. Everybody has their own individuality, right? So you need to respect that for everybody, and understand that the way that they are is for a reason, and you can only just go with the flow of it, and not disturb others patterns as well, right? A relationship will work only when two people come together for a reason, and they are able to understand and coordinate with each other, compromises to a certain extent. And of course there are going to be ups and downs, but you need to understand that you cannot always be the king of everybody's life, right? So that's an important lesson for you here. Since there are too much heavy energies, I'm sorry, since there are too much heavy energies, and this person is thinking of ending this whole scenario for you, let me check what is the near future of this particular situation for you. Ten of Swords, the Temperance. I see that it is going to become too much of an overburden, very stressful situation, and also you need to allow them to let them be free. Otherwise, they are definitely going to end the situation. The near future is, that is what I see, that and the deck energy being the King of Cups, they're not going to express it to you, but they will just silently walk away if you do not give them the kind of freedom that they deserve and freedom that they need. And you really have to bring a balance in the situation. I know that it is very difficult for you, but you definitely have to shift the scenario. Otherwise, things are going to end soon for you. I will also pick one last card from the Pocket of Hearts Oracle deck. This is designed by me. If you would like to purchase this deck, you can also feel free to DM me on my Instagram or on my WhatsApp. All the details are there in the description below. Right? So, what is the message for you from your person that they have for you? I picked out two cards. One is I'm glad you painted my dream into reality. How I wish you expressed. I think that here your person is also trying to tell you that they are happy about how things were going with you and them, and the whole dream of how a relationship is supposed to be that they dreamt of. But with the change of time, they feel that even you are not expressing and you are also holding a lot to yourself. They don't feel very comfortable being in this relationship with you. How I wish you expressed only means that don't hold on to things. Communication, it's the most important thing. Communicate as to what you are going through, what your person is going through. It is, as I said, that here I feel that it is too much about what you are going through only, right? You also need to express about and ask them about how they feel in this relationship, right? There has to be a mutual understanding, right? So that's all I have for you in this reading. But please do make efforts, otherwise, as I said, this relationship has huge chances of less chances of survival, I would say. So change the momentum, change the whole scenario, and then things will fall in place. You have to change a very big pattern for yourself. All right, so that's all I have for you in this reading. I hope this resonated. If so, please do let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to get your feedback, and thank you so much for listening out to me. I'll see you sometime soon. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye. Welcome to pile number 2, whoever picked the blue star. Let's look at what we have for you. I have one oracle card and one tarot card, and as per your situation, we will look into more cards. 3 of Pentacles. Manifestation. You have the power to bring your desires to fruition. Alright. So your person's current thoughts and feelings are, I see that you both have worked hard enough to make this relationship happen, and they're in a happy space with you. And they also feel that they have manifested you. They have really prayed for you. They have asked for a person like you, and they have manifested you. I see that this relationship probably started out as colleagues, or you work together, your partners, or something of that sort. Or maybe now you guys are working together. This person feels very happy around you. They are playful around you. And I also see that they dream a lot about you. The kind of energies I'm picking up is a happy one. I'm glad. And maybe this relationship started out with a lot of difficulties, and it involved too much of effort from both the ends, and you also needed someone else to assist you and guide you and tell you the do's and don'ts and everything. So or you guys met as with common friends or something of that sort, I am picking up on. I also see that this person likes to share things with you. They like doing things with you. They feel that they learn a lot when it comes to you. It could be to learn about new creative things, skills, or there is nothing like they feel superior and they look down upon you. They feel a good kind of balance, and they want to see you both together as equals. and they like getting involved in everything that you do. They are curious about knowing your whereabouts and finding out where you are, what you are doing, and they also are get curious about how they can contribute towards your work and how they can make a difference and they can help you. They have pure intentions towards you. And as I said, that this is something that they really hoped for, something that they really wanted. I definitely see that both of you have met through work, and uh, this person looks at you as a beautiful opportunity and beautiful relationship. They also, um, I'm also picking up on big commitments coming your way. I see that there could be a probably a good news that can come through soon. They they love to see you succeed. They love to see you in a happy zone. They love to see you achieve. As I said that they don't um, I mean, they like to see you as their equal, which means that whatever that you are doing, they'll help you a lot to reach a great extent. And they are somebody who'll stand by you with you for all your success. They will ensure that you are the center of uh, attention, and you are they praise you a lot, especially in front of a public crowd, or they are never afraid to show off what they have, like they're very proud of you. They are uh, deeply in love with you, I would say. Deeply in love with you. Maybe they don't express it that much, but they are so deeply in love with you. They will always support you, they will always be there for you, and they will see you succeed to greater heights, and they will help you accomplish all your dreams and goals. you know they will only look at your strengths, your how to convert your weaknesses into your strengths. They will always stand by you. Okay, and they will also maintain that kind of young energy, or that spark in the relationship will always be there. Okay, and they will they will always keep looking out for opportunities to express how they feel, but they are not going to express. That's quite weird, but they are they're deeply in love with you. you know they're deeply in love with you, and I would also say that the kind of affection that you hold for each other is something very special, I would say. And I see that although they have a lot of issues going on, they will never stop supporting you or standing by your side. Although there is a lot of hard work required in this relationship, as I said, that this person has manifested you, which means that they have worked hard a lot, and both of you have to work hard to keep this relationship going. With your career goals different, and with your kind of lifestyles, with varying lifestyles, I see that although all of that stress is there, I would say that this person will still be there for you and make it happen for you no matter what. Okay, and as I said, that there could also be a chances of this relationship moving into a next level of deeper commitment, and next level of deep emotions could be coming your way. All right, That's what I see for you. And I'm going to pick out uh, oracle cards from Pocket of Hearts deck. This is designed by me, and if you would like to purchase this deck, you can feel free to message me on WhatsApp or on my Instagram ID. Let's see what your person's current feelings are towards you. I skip my beat every time I see you. And I'll pick another card. You ignite my soul. Right? So, as I said, that this person is so deeply in love with you. I think it's pretty clear. There's no need for an explanation as well, that they skip their heartbeat every time I see you, which is such a deep meaning, right? That you can't actually skip a heartbeat, but if it's like the time pauses for them every time they are with you. So, and the soul gets ignited, which is like a fresh energy. As I said, that this person has really worked hard to manifest you and to be in this relationship, and it truly means something to them, so they will always treasure it. And when something is gained with a lot of difficulties and with a lot of you know when you've worked hard for something truly that you want, and then you get it, the feeling of getting that is completely different, right? And we treasure that and we value that a lot. So that is what this person feels, and that is what you mean to them. All right, so all the very best, and do let me know in the comments below if this reading resonated. I would be more than happy to get your feedback. Thank you so much for hearing out to me, and I will see you sometime again. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye. Welcome to pile number 3, whoever picked the yellow star. I have one oracle card and one tarot card here, and let's look at this, and then we'll move on to the reading with as many cards and whichever deck that I get to I feel like pulling out cards from. So we have the Queen of Pentacles and Awakening, becoming conscious of soul's infinite light. So your person's current thoughts and feelings towards you. I feel that your person feels grounded, more stable in the relationship. They are in the point in their life where they feel that yes, this is the one for me, and this relationship has truly developed into something beautiful that I can think of spending the rest of my life with it. I also see that this person has had a lot of struggles in their life, ups and downs, and to come up to this stage is quite a task for them, and they have evolved as a soul, not just as a body, or not just in terms of the physical world or the materialistic world. I'm not saying that they were very poor and then they became rich, but I also see that they have evolved into a mature person because of this relationship. They have grown into something more mature and confident. I think that you have grounded this person a lot, like you have helped them become the person that they are today. And I also see that your person thinks of you as, they treat you in a very high authority, they consider you to be somebody who brought light into their life, and somebody who made them realize that they have huge potential, and probably you made them realize their responsibilities, or I see that you play a huge role in their life for sure. Excuse me. I'm sorry. So I see that they have this feeling that there is a huge purpose to why you came into their life, and the the very purpose of you being in their life is for something major, and they have become that mature person completely because of you, right? And probably now they are in the stage where they can balance out everything, they are calm and composed, and they know how to take care of their finances, their family life, and their career path, and balancing a relationship. So the whole process of awakening has happened to them, and they live their life very consciously, right? And this has all happened because of you, for which they feel it is an accomplishment, and they feel that it is it is all because of you that this has happened to them, right? That is what I am picking up on. And let's look at more tarot cards as to what else does your person think about you. Definitely you are somebody so deeply involved and so important to this person, and they cannot survive without you. I also see that you have uplifted them in ways that they cannot imagine. Maybe they are too scared of doing something in their life, but they will eventually do it because of your support. I also see that you have given this person a whole new perspective of looking at life, you know they really cannot survive without you guys. I can totally see that. I don't know if they express it or not to you, but I think that they look forward to this journey along with you, and they want to create the perfect beautiful life with you. I also see that they they like taking vacations with you, or they want to take vacations with you, and they want to take this journey of life ahead with you. I'm i'm sure that they are a little worried or a little scared as to how they can take this further ahead with you, but they're willing to do it. They have a huge potential to do it, and they're willing to do it also. It's just that they are scared, but they know that along with you by their side, they will definitely be able to do it. They think a lot before doing anything, and they think of the pros and cons and which way is the right way, which can cause them kind of a confusion. And sometimes they always think of two paths in their life ahead, like they make a decision of what if this happens, and then they're like, no, what if the other thing happens. So they always have conflicts between the two, because they are kind of ruled by moon. So it's pretty obvious that when they're ruled by moon, I see that they can be quite emotional, and they like to go with the flow of everything. They don't like predestined or predetermined uh, destiny, or they don't want to know anything. They just like to go with the flow, make their own choices, but they will make wise choices. Okay, they will make wise choices, and also they are confident and ambitious about making this relationship work. All right, they have the capability to do it. They're intellectual, and the way they feel about you is beyond words, what I can tell you, because you are so important to them, that they have come up to this level of enlightenment and awakening, and it's all because of you, right? Although this relationship could be stressful at some time, and the way that they feel, they sometimes also feel that there is no, as I told you, they're conflicted by situations or their decisions, right? So sometimes they can feel that this is a dead end zone and there's nothing else to do in this further. But no, they will be determined to make it work, because they're never going to leave you, right? I can see that for sure, that they're never going to leave you, and uh, they consider you to be of the highest power, and they like to give their life's authority to you. All right, I'm going to pick up few oracle cards from this deck called Pocket of Hearts, which is designed by me. You can also pick up this, you can shop this, buy this I'm sorry, buy this oracle card from my Instagram page, or you can DM me on my WhatsApp number if you would like to purchase it. Let's look at what is the message for you from your person. You and I are pieces of the same puzzle. Your love gets me high. Right? That's so beautiful that your person, as I told you, that your person is way too connected to you, and they are highly, highly attached to you. Right? So it's such an apt card that you and I are pieces of the same puzzle. They feel that you're just one soul and two different bodies, and even with the sense of awakening that they've had, they've realized that you both are just one soul. This could also be a soulmate connection, I would say, although there are none of the cards that tell me that they are soulmate, but I have a strong feeling that this is a pile where you both could be soulmates, right? So your love gets me high. What else can I say? It's kind of self-explanatory, isn't it? That your person finds it way too beautiful to be in this relationship with you, and you just complete them in every way possible. All right, so that's about it. That's all I have for you in this reading today. I hope this reading resonated. If so, please do let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to get your feedback, and thank you so much for hearing out to me. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.